singing to me? Whoops. Whoops. Can you say, Charlie? Hey. You're such a good walker.
Hi.
Oh, you love Daddy.
Hi, the ball. Hi, the ball.
How's your new song go? You gonna sit on Dada? You saw those camels and you... Alright, so now we know what a dromedary is versus a camel.
I the ball.
Charlie, can you say water? Can you say flower? Can you say yum? Can you say it again? Yum.
Say yum.
Who's so silly walking?
You want some ticklies? You want some ticklies?
Liam, what are you doing? You watching Charlie be silly with Daddy? Whoa! Charlie getting so big. Liam, are they being silly? Is that silly? Liam. Hi, Lily.
Oh, that was a mistake. That was a huge mistake. Hi, the ball. Hi, the ball. Ticklies? Ticklies? Ticklies?
Where's Mr. Menace going?
Ticklies?